Hello, welcome to WebbsAI. Today, we'll be going through our website's SEO settings and social previews. Start by going to the left sidebar and clicking on SEO settings. Here, you can see how the website will look as a Google search result in the Google search preview. Here, you can modify the title tag and meta description. Our AI will let you know if the title and description you've chosen are SEO friendly or not. Then, you can also view the social cards of your website, including the title, image URL, and description. The platforms available for sharing include X, Slack, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Reddit. You get dedicated content settings for each platform too, along with optimization tips. Let's look at all the previews. X, Slack, Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.